Hero7 Black. Gonna go for a walk up along Long Beach. So to activate time warp mode, first thing I do is swipe left on the touch screen to get to time lapse mode. Then there's this little icon on the bottom left which contains 4 different options. I want to scroll up to the top option, time warp video, and then we've got our different selections at the bottom. It's currently on 1440 wide and 15 times. Not too sure which is the best here. I think 30 times is the most stable. I'm going to set it on 15 times because it's quite a long walk. Wide, only get one option there. And 1440 is the lowest resolution. You got 1440, 2.7. There's your 2 options. I'm going to click 1440. And away we go. Just press go.